Hello everyone, I hope you all are good. Have you ever had Goan fish curry made using turmeric leaf? If not, you should definitely try once. It's flavorful and delicious and goes absolutely good with ukdo or brown rice. Let's begin. I'm using 250 grams of Vellyo or anchovies. I have got them nicely cleaned up. Let's add some salt, mix well and let the fish marinate for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now, in a grinding jar, I'm adding 1 cup freshly grated coconut, half of a medium-sized onion sliced, 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, 7 to 8 button chillies, 1 Byadagi Chilli for that bright and rich color for our curry, a marble-sized tamarind ball, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, and enough water to grind all this into a smooth paste like this. Our curry masala has got a nice color. I'm going to pluck a fresh turmeric leaf for this fish curry and wash it thoroughly. Let's empty this ground masala into a cooking pot. Add enough water to bring this curry to a thin consistency. Add the remaining half of the medium-sized onion finely chopped and 1 slit green chilli. Salt to taste. Mix well. Make sure your curry is not too thick. I have here turmeric leaf nicely washed. Now add the turmeric leaf roughly broken into pieces to this curry. Cover and let the curry come to a nice boil. You can see the curry has already started to boil. I can literally smell the fresh fragrance of turmeric leaf. Let's add our marinated fish one by one. Well, I have used anchovies or silverfish to make this curry. You can make curry of sardines and mackerels also using turmeric leaf. Now, do not mix this curry with spatula. The fish inside may break. Instead, just swirl the pan around. Do not cook this fish for more than 2 minutes because it cooks in no time, and overcooking may again break the fish. So with this, our tasty, delicious and flavorful Goan fish curry with turmeric leaf is all set to serve hot with ukdo and some rawa fried fish. Do give this video a thumbs up if you like the recipe. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again in my next video. Till then, thanks for watching. Bye bye.